Hello, it's been a long time. So, I have moved house, and this is what I'm working on at the moment. So this had a big garage roof on it, which was a bit of a health hazard. It's come down now. It's in a skip. Here's part of it, a little bit here, and I'm just sorting out this space. But behind me, over here, is potentially my new workshop. So let me take so as you can see, it's a little bit weathered. Yep, you can see where the water's been raining in. That's because the roof, if I can get you a view up there, it's not actually complete. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me. But let me take you in. This is what we're doing, what we're dealing with. So all of my workshop stuff is in here. There's the lathe. The mill is currently on the floor, which is not the best place for it. And all my bits and bobs, I've just kind of dumped everything everywhere because that's what it's like when you move in. So this was the previous owner's like little bar area. So they've got down here, try and get out the light. There's a little heater, and there's like a little bench here, and they had like glasses and things up here, and these records stuck to the ceiling that they've left behind. And then over in the far corner over there, they had a bar, but I've got my washer dryer there at the moment. So the mission is to turn this basically into a workable workshop. And then I can start doing some projects like I used to do, like building some BB-8s maybe. Maybe not BB-8 because we've done it before. Let's see if I can turn this camera around. So, yeah. And it's like plastic windows. Probably need to upgrade that a little bit. I've got all these shelving things to come down. So we'll sort all that out. I'm probably going to keep all of this woodwork. Stuff like this. I probably won't keep this because I need to make some workbench. But all of this is probably going to have to stay because behind there, I've had a look, it's just polystyrene. It's just polystyrene. But the construction of the building itself is concrete. Got a concrete floor. So that's good. Nice and stable. I'll try and keep the glare off me. But yeah, I'm just kind of squeezing down because all of this, yeah. There is a lot to do. There's my dryer. There's the washer. And that's what used to be the bar. Yeah. Lovely. Okay. So, follow along. Hello. It's been years, quite literally. This is what I'm going to be doing for a while. I can't even speak properly. I'm going to be doing this for a little while. Sorting out this. Oh, there's a squirrel out there. Can you see that? On the roof? So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. So follow along, and once the workshop's done, I plan to do like a bunch of different projects, just building things, making things, because you know I'm a maker and I want to show you guys what I've been doing for the past few years. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye.